Professor Paws.
Oh. Please, can I play with your toy?
Hello again to my wonderful, amazing learners. It's me, Professor Paws, your favorite learning buddy. Today, we're talking about something super important. Good manners. Can you say that with me? That's right. Good manners are like magic words that make people smile and make the world a happier place. Let's learn them together. First magic word is please. When you want something, don't just grab it. Try this. Mommy, please, can I have some juice? See, you sound polite and Mommy will smile big. Next is thank you. When someone gives you something or helps you, always say thank you. Thank you, Daddy, for my yummy food. Thank you shows you're grateful and kind, like a real superstar. Uh-oh, sometimes we make mistakes. Maybe you step on someone's toy or bump into a friend. Then you say, I'm sorry. When you say sorry, it fixes hurt feelings, just like magic glue. Now for one of my favorites, excuse me. If you need to talk while someone else is speaking, say, excuse me, and wait patiently. Excuse me, please, may I speak? Perfect manners. You sound like a polite prince or princess. Let's say our magic words together. Please, thank you, sorry, excuse me. Great job, my polite little learners. Remember, good manners make you shine wherever you go. If you enjoyed learning with me, tell your parents, Mommy, Daddy, please subscribe to Professor Paws so I can learn more fun things. See you next time, superstars. And remember, be kind and polite every day.